Right, it's the start of our travel day. We're on our way from Stansted Airport, we've never been to, over to Nuremberg. Right, I can already see big queues stacking up, so we're going to get inside, see what the situation is. We don't know which one we're going from, so what we'll do, we'll just get inside. First of all, check it on the board, see where it goes from. Sounds like a plan. First view, Stansted Airport. It's looking a busy one actually. Right there, that's a big area. Right, you're not allowed to film security apparently, so we'll switch off and we'll get through here and see on the other side. Right, through security, took literally like 5 minutes. Did it take 5 minutes? 10 minutes? 10 minutes really to get through there. Probably one of the fastest seen. They've got the new machines at Stansted, so you don't need to take anything out of your bag. Leave everything in, straight through. Very well organised. Liverpool, take notes. Right, well let's have a little walk down here, try and find next mission, but first coffee. Right, first thing we need to do, check the Jack Daniels prices. It's got to be around here somewhere, and we've got it there. So for 1 litre, £27.39 for 1 litre. That's not actually that bad. Not the cheapest I've ever seen, but not that bad. Out the Ray-Bans. I've already got these ones, but what do I fancy? These are pretty cool. Liking those clear ones, those clear frames. I like those clear frames ones, but yeah, I think I'll stick with these for now. These are good old trusties. Right, we're looking for Nuremberg, if we can find it, and it should be 12.10. There it is, Nuremberg 12.10. Relax right now. We can do that. We're going to relax. It's telling us to relax right now. We can do that. Not stress out. 12.10. Right. No gates as yet. Maybe time for a Krispy Kreme coffee. Not a donut. Just some caffeinated beverage. Oh, we've got Harry Potter donuts.
For an extra 30, you can make it a large latte.
Harry Potter donuts. Looks like we're getting the Harry Potter cups. Joe the Juice in here. If you want something healthy, you Joe the Juice. We've got our Harry Potter style Krispy Kreme donuts. Not sponsored of course, but should be. And it was just over 10 quid for 3 coffees. So just over £3, £3 thereabouts per coffee, which for airport price is not that bad. Gee whiz, look how busy this is. Oh my god, massively busy. There's millions of people. I don't know how we'll ever find a seat in here, but we just have to keep walking round and round for an hour until our flight. Wow, look at this food court. Absolutely heaving. Definitely need to get this caffeine down me next. Buzz Airlines. I've heard of that one before. A Ryanair one over there. It could be our plane. Might be a little bit early. Right, should we have a little walk round? Further round. Managed to find, we got some seating downstairs, which was a little bit less crowded down there, not too hot. We sat and had a little coffee. Look at this tram. Little train going through. Right, we'll have a little walk around and then won't be too long, 10 minutes or so, we'll have to make our way to the gates. Leon is excellent actually. It's very good, but it's very expensive, and in the airport it'll be even more expensive. So I'm guessing maybe a WH Smith sandwich might be the way to go, and a bottle of water for the plane.
WH Smith sandwich would be more expensive. £7.
Yeah, probably be like £7,000 for a WH Smith.
I once got a sandwich and a drink from WH Smith at Leeds train station, £8.
£8? Was that a meal deal?
Nope.
Ugh. Right, let's have a little look, see the price of sarnies in here. They do have meal deals going on. Let's have a look down this side. The old Haribo's in there.
£6.99 for a meal deal.
Is it? £6.99. Do you remember when it was £3 for a meal deal?
That's it, I think.
It's £5.50 in here. What was it in the other one? £6.99 or something. So a little bit cheaper, but what have we got? Veggie collection. Chicken salad. Oh, Higgidy's. £2 for a Higgity. What shall we get? Spicy bean. Right, we've rejected Smiths, we've rejected Boots. The guys didn't like the sandwiches in there, so we've come to Pret, a bit better quality. I think they are more expensive, but we've got some nice things in here. Look at that salad there. Very nice. We've got salad bowls in here, or the wraps are pretty good too. Look at that. That's what I call food. Look at that, Ollie. It's nice. Flatbread, Mediterranean. Oh, that's a tuna. Falafel. Actually, that's the falafel, isn't it? Spiced chicken. Might have to go for the spicy chicken. That looks good, and a water. Are you going to get a water? These look good, all these sandwiches. It's probably a little bit more expensive, but if you don't get a meal deal, it's about the same. £9.44. Hope it's a good one. Should be tasty, this. We're off to gate 40. I haven't got a clue how far that is. It might be miles for all I know. Let's see if we can figure out where to go here. That's 81 to 80. That's probably... This is gates 81 to 93. So...
Well, that's for today, was it?
Could be quite a way down here for all I know. That's shuttle to gates 1 to 39. Ah, there, 40. Is this it? 40 to 59. Looks like it could be this. Well, that's a 10-minute walk to gate. There we go, 40 to 59. This looks like it could be right. Always take the stairs. Forget those escalators. Not good for your health, are they? Only a couple of flights. Here we go. $40 to 59, we're on track. aboard. And we're on the apron, guys. We're on the apron. I think we're front. Back coming back. Oh, looks like the guys are sorry, headed to the back. I think we must be back.
Hello again, new flight deck. Just a quick reminder to board as quickly as possible. To ensure an on-time departure, please make your way through the cabin and to your seats as quickly as possible. If we don't board quickly, we will be put to the back of the queue for departures by air traffic control. Please remember that only passengers with priority are allowed to place bags in the overhead locker. If you do not purchase priority, please place your bag under the seat. Once again, we're delighted to welcome you on board.
I reserved the space for you.
So 21A. Alright, found it. Smallest room in the house vlog. It's flying into Nuremberg, Stansted, and the whole flight. I think this is the smallest bathroom I've ever been in. I don't think I locked the door, it's okay. This is the smallest bathroom I've been in on a plane. It's about an hour and a half flight to Nuremberg. So we're probably about halfway to the flight now. Very good weather. Should be probably starting to descend in about 40 minutes, something like that. Right, pick you up to the flight. We're back on the apron. Back. Welcome to Deutschland. Nuremberg. Right, let's get inside. Through that security. Right, we've made it to Deutschland. Waiting for our Uber. We've got a white Toyota Corolla. It should be coming down this road any minute now. And yeah, check in when we get to the hotel.